What are they saying, Annabelle? Say hi. How may I help you? How may I help you? Yeah, it helps to pace when talking on the phone. I think they're wondering what you're going to do tomorrow. Are you going to play? Say hi. I'm going to be very busy tomorrow. I don't think I can come play. Are you teasing Mom? Are you teasing Mom? Wow. Who's on the phone, Annabelle? Say hello. Hello, is that Annabelle? Wow.